Hey, this is Davis Lyon here, and he's taking the online test out PC Pro course this year. He's going to configure one of the labs for us.
I have to troubleshoot a mobile device. So first I have to disable the airplane mode, then I have to join the Wi-Fi, type in the password here. And now it's telling me to turn off the Bluetooth and then to create a password. It's telling me to make that 1542. And then after 15 minutes,
And the instructions are right here.
after 10 failed attempts, and then now it wants me to turn off simple password. PC Pro. Okay. And then now it wants me to configure the iPad to erase all data after 10 failed attempts.
Okay, Davis, thank you very much.
You're welcome.